Namaste everyone. In this video we will see what are all the OBS studio settings in my system. Okay, so for the people who don't know what is OBS, OBS is a screen recording software. So it is a open source software and it will work in all the operating systems. You can click on any of these links and download the product and then you can use that. So I already downloaded this OBS software and let me show you the settings for that. So this is the OBS software. Right now I have enabled the desktop capture. So desktop capture is there in the screens, and whatever is there in the desktop it will capture. And two things which I have included here: display capture, which will capture the screen, and the mic. I have added mic here to record my voice. So these are the two things which I did. So we'll go through that in another video, but in this video we'll mainly focus on what are all the settings OBS has. So to go through the settings, there is a button called settings here. So you can click on that and it will show you what are all the video and audio settings. Okay, in case if you wanted to record software, so you can do that. Here start recording will be there. Currently the video is getting recorded, and studio mode and streaming. So the streaming is used for the online gaming games. In case if you are playing and your viewers want to see that, you can stream that. And recording is something like for the YouTube videos. Currently I am using this software only for the YouTube videos, and the settings whatever I show you is for the YouTube. Let's go into the settings, and this is a general tab where it will talk about the theme and other stuff. You can see various options which I have enabled here. So this is about general tab, and let me go through the stream. So since I am not using this for the streaming, I have not done anything here. Let's go to the output, and you can ignore my streaming tab. So look at the recording section. So here you can configure the recording path and how many audio paths you need, and the recording format. So I like the MP4 format. The file size will be less, and uh, so I have selected MP4, and the audio track, only one audio track I have selected, and the encoder X264 I have selected, and rescale output I have not checked anything. Okay, and this rate control I have selected CBR, and the bit rate I have selected as 3500. I think by default it will be 2500, so I have selected 3500. And the CPU usage preset is very fast. And let's go back to the audio section, and the audio bitrate I have selected as 320 for the track 1 because I am using only the track 1. I have not set anything for others. And if you look at the output mode on the top, so I have selected the advanced one. There will be another one which is a simple. So I have selected advanced and did all this stuff here. So we're done with the output section. Let's go into the audio section. So sample rate is 44.1 kilohertz here, and I'm using a microphone, so that is what is listed here. Okay, and these are the audio settings. So if you go to the video settings, so base canvas resolution, I usually upload the videos with the 1280 by 1024 resolution in the YouTube. So that is the reason I have selected this resolution. and hotkeys. So these are very useful uh, short hotkeys. And just to start the recording and stop the recording, I no need to be in the OBS, even though I'm working in on Chrome browser. So I'll press F2 whenever I need to start the recording. That time it will start the recording, and whenever I wanted to stop the recording, then I'll press F4. One important feature OBS doesn't have is pause feature. In case if you have multiple videos, then you need to use the video editor software. For example, I use currently DaVinci Resolve. You can see our tutorial in other videos. You need to join those videos by using any of the video editor software. Okay, and let's go to the advanced tab. So process priority is above normal and render is direct 3D 11. I think these are the default ones which came by default. And auto monitoring device is default, and the file format however you want you can set it here with the date and timestamp. And these are the advanced settings. So these are the OBS settings. What I have is working fine for me. I always record the desktop capture. So whatever is there in my desktop, it will be captured as in, as a file. Okay, then I'll upload that mp4 file into YouTube. This is what I am doing. And thanks for watching. And in case if you like this video, please like this video and share this with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to get more updates like this. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a good day.